Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is something that has been asked today a couple of times. I had some of this asked in the past, but now it is today because of the market share of the different Windows operating systems. Some of you have come back to me and said, look, I am looking at your statistics for the market share of Windows, and I was wondering, I have Windows 8.1. How long is there left for me to use Windows 8.1? And is it worth it to move on to Windows 10? And that's something that, it pops up from time to time. And what I have to say with that is something that is very simple. If you're happy with Windows 8.1 right now, there's no need to move on. You know what? For most people, they just want to do what they have to do and do it as it works, and it's okay. And that's fine. And that means that if you're happy and what you do is okay and works well, you're okay there. The end of support for Windows 8.1 is January 10th, 2023. So January 10th, 2023. So you have more than a year and a half left of support for Windows 8.1. And that's fine, honestly. And that is going to basically be the 10-year of support that Microsoft offers. As usual for businesses that might be using it, they might actually offer an extended paid support. But that one's going to be interesting because Windows 8.1 has less market share than Windows 7 still has, as it's been expired for more than a year. So not a lot of people will want to have extension on that, for sure. One thing to remember is that Windows 8.1 key, that product key, is good to upgrade for free to Windows 10. It still works. That little trick of, upgrading from Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 with a valid product key works. You get free update to Windows 10. You can still do this. Microsoft has not, closed that loophole. I think it's intentional that they leave it open, which means that at some point when you get closer to the demise of Windows 8.1, well, maybe you can move on to Windows 10 and you'll move on for free and you'll be on the new operating system. And, you might say, well, maybe I should do it now before they close that loophole. I don't think they're going to close that loophole. I think that in a year and a half when Windows 8.1 is going to get its end of support, you know what? You're going to still be able to upgrade to Windows 10 for free. So I don't think there's a rush to do so. But in case you didn't know, you could. And that's something that you might want to do. And if you're happy with Windows 8.1, you know what? Just stay there. And you'll see when the time comes and end of support gets nearer. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.